Today, across the country, at events just like this one, our government, the Harper government, is bringing good news to Canadian clean tech companies and to the environment. We're announcing investments in projects that show great promise for producing and for using energy in a more clean and efficient manner.
We know we need much more renewable energy, and we need it fast. And it's very important to make sure that we generate that renewable energy sustainably, economically, socially, and environmentally sustainable. And this project is about generating some of the information to allow us to make really good, informed decisions about how to proceed.
I'm pleased to announce that our host, Lafarge Canada, is receiving $2.68 million for a biomass project to process low-carbon waste materials in the cement industry.
Lafarge Canada and Scott Environmental Group have worked very hard in the last 2 years to develop a biofuels program which diverts construction and demolition waste such as shingles and countertops and old chairs from landfills and into a environment, into a application which will offset the consumption of fossil fuels.
Lafarge is Canada's largest building material manufacturer with 6,000 employees across Canada from the Atlantic to the Pacific. We produce cement, aggregate, and concrete. But more importantly, our vision is to become the leading provider of construction solutions that build better towns, cities, and communities. At the end of this summer, the Bath plant will be taking Queen's University work out of the laboratory to demonstrate the full-scale use of low-carbon fuel.
I think Canada's future with respect to this project is expanding the use of low-carbon fuels in the manufacture of commercial products like cement here at the Bath plant. So it's a great platform, I think, for other operations and institutions to look at what they're doing here at Lafarge and hopefully expand this type of technology elsewhere in Canada.
These projects are a clear signal of Canada's growing competitiveness in clean energy technologies, and that the clean tech sector is destined to become a key part of Canada's innovation-based, export-led economy.
This is an example of a project where we can, if successful, if we can find a way to make it work, it could be another example of how Canada could grab hold of the emerging green technology sector and really thrive in a carbon-constrained world.
We're only about 3 years old, and in that time we've established a network of 27 universities across Canada, plus many more internationally. We support research projects, approximately 44 projects right now valued at $22 million, and that's based on funds received from the federal government and the province of Alberta and industry.
Well, I think when you see corporations the size of Lafarge who are involved in finding more sustainable energy uses, it shows the direction we're heading and that it's becoming the new normal for companies to be thinking this way.
So projects like this one demonstrate leadership in exploring how to reduce the impact of industrial processes. And this is important to Canada as we commit to moving into a more economically, environmentally, and socially sustainable future. But it's also important to the world that Canada develop and demonstrate these technologies and then share them around the world.
We have a potential fourfold or more increase in terms of our capacity to use alternative fuels in Canada, and I think this project is a crucial step to a crucial milestone in getting us towards that goal.